What did I come to do? So I told them I am an artist. I'm a Kenyan who has come to Kenya to Kenya people. Okay, I have come here in to perform a cultural music for Kenyan Kikuyu. They checked the event. They said the event is already cancelled. So Kamau, on his side, he has already cancelled the event.
Now I understand. Okay, now, because he was very, very disappointed about the organizer.
Yeah.
So he said, I don't want them to perform. I said, wait. I said to Joseph, wait, let me clear up. Don't cancel too quick, because I'm not the person who like to straight away do cancels, because you can always talk to people. You can always talk to people. And then he said, no, I know organizer don't want to deal. He will never pay. He don't want to listen. He don't even call you. He don't call me. So he probably still did it. But now they released you. So what did they say? Okay, you can perform and go back home?
Yeah, I have the letters. They wrote me a letter. I have actually a three-page, I have a three-page letter. They wrote me a letter. So they said I perform tomorrow, then I go back. Immigration. I was arrested by immigration for 3 hours.
Yeah, I understand. But now only you? But why only you and not the others?